Tanner! Tanner! Come here! Come on! Come on! Tanner, come here! Come here! Tanner, come here! Tanner! Tanner! Come here! Okay, never mind. This is me taking my dog for a little walk. Name, Turner. Age, had it for a year now. Backstory, he was left on the streets for 3 months. His original care owners never really cared about him. Let's get back to the funniness, I guess. Okay, where'd he go? There he is. Turner, what you looking at? Come here. Come here. Oh no, he's hurt. He's hurt. Turner, come here. Turner. Shit. I'm worried about him because he's area's full of glass, beer bottles, and other broken shit. People that don't care about this area. I see he's limping. Come here. Come here. Let me check. Check. Hey, you have to give me it. Okay, let me check this one. He seems to be fine on this one. Okay, he's good. Thought I had a splinter. Okay, go! Come on! Come on, sir! Go! Run! Come on! Run! Oh, I think never really finished. Emotions, very hyper, very playful. Used to be shy all the time. And really likes to run, as you can see. He's a very good dog. I hope you other care owners of animals will understand how much I love him. My other one used to be just like him, Blade. Type, Great Pyrenees, lived longer than he's supposed to. Turner, come on back! Come on! He listens to when I call him. Come on, Turner! Come on! Give him a bit. Let's go back on my job. Don't really know how old he was. 7 years? I don't know. Me and him were really close. He slept with me, played with me. I was down, I talked to him. Nothing can replace him, like nothing can replace Turner. I miss him. Well, if you want to see more funny videos of this, or I guess funny sad, I guess follow me, get the notification thing done, and well, that's all you have to do. Let's get back. What are you doing, Tanner? What are you doing? Huh? This one's still a puppy, by the way. It's Raskin. Full bred boxer, too. Oh, there he goes. There you can see him. Up. Give me too far. Really far. Tanner! I think I woke up the neighbors. Tanner? Shit. Turner, come here! Shit. I didn't teach him to do this, I swear. There you are. Oh, you scared me. You scared me. Don't do that again. Hey, Turner, up here. Turner, up here. Don't do that again. Don't do that again, my baby. Okay, come here. Well, that ends it. And well, later all you scythe bastards are. Also, please put a comment below on what my saying should be. I really don't have a good one. Bye.